Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I am back again today with another Toddler Tuesday video, and today's project is a lot of fun. It is mainly for the grown-ups to make for the little ones, or you can supervise your little one making them. We are making these really fun and easy ice pop holders. All that is felt folded in half and hot glued, and we have little shapes on them as well. Alright, so the first thing you will need is a piece of felt. I cut this into be 5 by 5. Take your hot glue gun. We're going to put glue on one edge and also along the bottom. Then we're just going to fold this in half to create a little pocket for the ice pop. So it keeps their hands warm and dry. And really simple to make. And you can probably pick up all the supplies at your local Dollar Tree or dollar store, or really inexpensive. Alright, so we have our pocket. Now I want to add some shapes. I used my Big Shot to cut out these foam pieces. This is Cricut craft foam. But again, Dollar Tree will sell these pre-made shapes already. I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue on the back of that and glue that on. You can use felt for that. You could use letters for their initials or their name. Okay, clean up that glue on the bottom and glue these ones to the other side. Oh, my kids are little, they love these ice pops, and I love them too. And they would use old socks to keep their hands dry and warm. I seen this on Pinterest and I thought it was too cute. Had to give it a go and share it with you guys. So I can't take credit for it, but super fun, right? So there we have that. Let the glue dry a little bit before you stick your popsicle in there. Then take your frozen ice pop and stick it in. So there you have it. There's 3 of them there. Aren't they cute? Alright guys, there you have it, our Toddler Tuesday project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.